In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Raydium step by step. So first, what you need to do is open a wallet that works with the Solana network. Popular options include Phantom, MetaMask, Trust Wallet and Coinbase Wallet. For this tutorial, we'll use Phantom. Make sure your wallet is set up and contains some Solana. If not, tap Receive, choose Solana and either send tokens to your wallet or buy using options like Google Pay. Once you have Solana, go to the bottom right and tap the search icon. In the search bar, type Raydium, select Raydium DeFi and open the site. You'll see a disclaimer, accept it and proceed to enter the platform. Next, tap Connect to link your wallet, choose Phantom, then press Connect. Your wallet will now be linked to Raydium. To buy tokens, use the swap feature. By default, it shows Solana as the token you're swapping from. If you want to swap for USDT or another token, just select the drop down and choose from the list. Enter the amount you want to trade, then tap swap. That's how you buy crypto on Raydium step by step. Thanks for watching.